Hey traders, what's up? In this video, I want to show you something I've been working on for months, my personal strategy called the Rabbit Box. It's finally live, and I'm excited to show you how it works, why it's unique, and how you can use it, especially on spot. Before you start using it, make sure to go into the settings and enable the bar magnifier. Then go to the Properties tab and make sure both options on every tick and bar magnifier are turned on. The Rabbit Box strategy works both on spot and leverage, but let's be real, it shines the most on spot. If you do use it with leverage, you'll get the best performance when running it with a 35% stop loss. That stop loss will automatically show up in the info box below the chart as soon as a setup triggers. You'll also see the 4 compound levels, the take profit target, and if multiple entries are triggered, the average entry will update live too. When a trade triggers, the strategy doesn't just take a single entry. It's built to compound down. There are 4 additional levels at -4%, -10%, -15%, and -20%. So if price dips lower, the entries stack and your average entry improves as you go. That updated average is always shown on the chart in real time. Why that's powerful? This is super helpful because even when price moves against you, your entry improves, not worsens. And based on historical data, the strategy's take profit level, the white rabbit box, almost always gets hit. That's your fixed, high probability target. Now, of course, no system is perfect. In rare cases, especially during extreme bear markets or black swan events, all compounds might trigger. And yeah, even the stop loss can be hit. But those moments are rare. In normal or bullish market conditions, especially since the start of 2023, this strategy has performed incredibly well, with no losses on low leverage. Still, to keep it simple and stress-free, I always recommend spot trading. Why spot is best? Spot is relaxed, no liquidation risk, no forced stopouts. You just let your position build as price moves and wait for the rabbit box target to get hit, which, again, historically it always has. You can set alerts, walk away, and let the strategy do its thing. Here's how I use it. If a setup triggers and price is already super close to the target, like less than 1%, or it's right under a strong higher timeframe resistance, I skip the entry. But I still mark the level because the target remains valid. Then I wait for a pullback and look to enter at a better price. Sometimes I start with a smaller size and then add more if the price dips into the compound zones. A common question I get is, do I go all in on entry 1? No, I usually split my capital across the compounding levels. If the trade hits TP after entry 1, great, small win. But if we go deeper, my average entry improves and the potential profit is higher. That's the beauty of this compounding structure. It adapts to the market, and you can manage your size based on your risk style. And here's where it gets exciting. Let's say you're aiming for just 1% profit per trade on spot, after fees, and you compound that over time. After 100 trades, that's roughly a 4x on your capital, even if you're only using partial size, say 25% to 50% on average, the effect adds up. Consistency is key. It grows slowly at first, but over time it becomes powerful. Why it works. The real strength of this strategy is the target itself. That rabbit box, the white box on the chart, has historically always been revisited. That's the edge. That's what gives this strategy consistency and confidence. Not chasing high risk to reward, but a high hit rate, which often is more powerful as normal setups. And yes, it works across all timeframes, whether you're on the 1-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, or higher. Backtests show 100% hit rate on leverage since 2023. Spot 100% on the full Bybit history. On leverage, it's around 94% on the full history, depends on the time frame, as that varies, with losses usually coming from extreme bear dumps or high volatility events. So again, it can work with leverage, but it was designed for spot. Final thoughts. I built this to trade clean, structured setups without stress. No guessing, no chasing pumps, just let the setup form, compound if needed, and take profit at the rabbit box. It worked in the past. It works now. And I'll keep trading it until the stats say otherwise. Right, that's the full breakdown of the rabbit box strategy. It's built for traders who want structure, not stress, especially if you prefer spot trading and like scaling in with low risk. If you're into 20x leverage moonshots or chasing every breakout, this probably isn't for you. But if you're looking for consistency, a clear target, and a system that helps you stay calm even during drawdowns, then this might be exactly what you need. This strategy is based on historical performance and personal experience. It's provided as an educational tool only and does not constitute financial advice. Trading involves risk. Past results do not guarantee future returns. Always do your own research and trade based on your personal risk tolerance. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be considered financial or investment advice. This content may not be appropriate in all regions. Please follow the laws and regulations applicable in your country or jurisdiction. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.